Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off with Uvelepi. She is sitting embedeni, guys, busy daydreaming there, while Usibongile is sitting on a chair, busy on the table, busy doing her drawings or sketching, zama interior designing cake. Uvelepi is like, he as nkosi yami, ngathi sengiyabona nkosi yami, angikwazi nokulinda nje, sengijahe nje usuku olukhulu, nathi ngiyabona la Sibongile ekhaya, abantu benza u-up and down, kumnandi, kuyakikizwa, hayibo, sesilinde umndeni kaMpumelelo ukuthi ufike, uzoqala ingxoxo zamalobola. She's like, yazi, I wonder, yazi Sibongile, ukuthi bazokhipha iy'nkomo ezingaphi. Kodwa-ke, ngazi-ke, I'm sure ukuthi zizobaningi ngoba phela yimina lo sikhuluma ngaye. Fanele nje ukuthi zibe ningi. Angishodi phela ngalutho phela mina. Futhi uzobona weSibongile. Uyabona lo mshado lo, inhlupheko nathi. Awulutho buka nazi ngiyakutshela Sibongile. Sibongile is like, yes Velep, umshado is not umdlalo. Uvelep is like, hey, hayi ke wena, like avu serious lapho mncaneni. Usibongile is like, kulungile Velep, yes, kulungile qhubeka. Kodwa-ke you must know that not everything that glitters is gold. Iphupho nempilo lezo zinto nje, like it's not the same thing. Fine. Uvelep is like, hayi Sibongile, I have serious nje. I'm like, the way Uvelep is still excited about this thing, already picturing the day umshado, guys. Next scene, we see Uwenzeni, guys. She comes in, she finds Aboneli, Uneli, Tutsile, while Uneli is busy eating there, and she calls Uneli to have a conversation with her. Phela unokuzana Uwenzeni, she called Uneli benomkhize. So Uneli is scared ukuthi Uwenzeni is going to tell abazali bakhe. But listen, it looks like Uwenzeni is going to use this to advantage because she called Uneli aside and she's like, Lalela Neli, I've decided with him, I'm not going to tell abazali bami pertaining what I saw. Kodwa-ke mele ungenzele i-favor. Angazi okwamanje what that favor is, kodwa maduzane nje ngizodinga i-favor. I'm just like, Uwenzeni is going to use this to advantage. If Uneli doesn't wake up, amtshela ukuthi hayi, tell your parents if you want to, like, it's your decision. Angazi, but I just feel like Uwenzeni is going to uzomhlala ekhanda, uzodlala ngaye. Next scene, we see Uvuma. He's in his kitchen, guys, drinking itiye laphayana, and he doesn't look okay. I mean, I get it, Uvuma's in a difficult position. He's been offered a good offer here, guys, even land, but at the same time, this is Usibongile wakhe esikhuluma ngaye. So ukuzwayo angene athi inkonko la ekhaya, then he comes in, abona ukuthi Uvuma is just sitting there because Uvuma is not saying anything, so he thought ukuthi akunamuntu. So he's like, sibali wami, mkhwenyana wakithi wenkomo, kodwa iyaphila mfowethu. Uvuma-ke, you can see ukuthi he's not in the mood. He's like, ngiyaphila khuzwayo. Ukuzwayo is like, hayi bo Sibali, yini lento engizwayo le emfihlweni kaJobe? Uvuma zayi yini bathini? Then ukhuzwayo says ukuthi ngizwe umfowabo Nduna, uthi uNduna phela unembali that he has spotted la ekhaya. Manje-ke ngifuna ukwazi wevuma ukuthi uzongidinga ukuthi mhlampe nami ngibe khona engxoxweni phela zamalobola, izinto ezinjalo. I'm like, the way Ukuzwayo likes money, guys, I'm sure he's going to want a cut from that. Uvuma then says, Sibali, ngisayicabanga leyo ndaba, alikayindawo nje, like to say, don't get even excited about it. Ukuzwayo is like, hayi wena, kanti mbambu njani wena, unjani? Yini edinga ucatshanga lana? Sibali, yicabange kahle lento, yimfuyo eningi, yizo zonke nje izinto ongazicabanga Sibali. Awuboni Sibali ukuthi yi-breakthrough yethu lena? Uvuma then says, cha Sibali, lento yamathuba, I should put it aside okwamanje. Indodakazi yami ngiyibeke phambili, ngicabangele yona indodakazi yami. Then Ukuzwayo is like, Sibali, buka, cabanga nje umntwana seyengena emzini wakhe ehlala kahle sibali being comfortable ahlukana kuphele nalo mfana kuthiwa ubani ukwenzo lona sibali awubona ukuthi like all of our dreams will come true lana. Hayi, musa ukukhanga sibali, musa ukukhanga mbambo. Hayi, musa nje, hayi. You can see Ukhuza is already thinking what he's benefiting from. But listen, one thing about Uvuma, guys, he's a real father, especially when it comes to Usbungile Shem. Then next scene, we see Upeteni. She's at home, guys. She is reading her book at dining room lesson. Upeteni, she is in her peacemaking era. Uyambona nje ukuthi these days akafuni ngxoxo, akafuni into enomsindo nje. She's even reading a book uziphuzela iwine yakhe. She is like she's no longer the same, guys. So as she's doing that, unomfundo angene. Then Upeteni notices ukuthi ungena umuntu and she's like, oh, Nomfundo. Nomfundo's like, how? Boy uvele wagijima wayozivalela ekamereni nje kanjalo. Upeteni is like, yeah, umthetho wakhe nje uyathanda ukuzivalela ekamereni. Unomfundo then says ukuthi hayi uyajabula dade. Then Upeteni says uthi ngiyabonga ukuthi umbuyise iy'kono zingakavulwa. Then Nomfundo's like, oh, ayikho inkinga ma'am. I'm just like, and then umem ungenaphi? Upeteni then says, yeah, uzongisiza kakhulu ukuthi ngimplanele so that I can prepare for him. Angithandi nje ukutatazela ngibe mfunana ne-stationary last minute. Nomfundo's like, hayi ulungile ngiyabonga kakhulu. And you can see there's awkwardness there. And then she's like, hey, athi ngihambe ke nami, bye-bye. As she's saying bye, uClina angene. Then uClina's like, how unjani Nomfundo? Nomfundo's like, ngiyaphila. Then she walks out. uClina's left now with Upeteni. She's like, how? Kwakuhle ukubona nizwana nino Nomfundo. Upeteni's like, hey bo, even though ukuthi awungeni indawo, kodwa ke anyway, ngiyabonga kakhulu ukuthi uyayibona imizamo yami. uClina then says, angibuzeke, ludale yini ushintsho? Upeteni's like, hayi bo Clina, angizwanga mengithi ukuthi awungeni indawo. uClina's like, kodwa uyazi ukuthi ngiyazithandela mina iy'ndaba and futhi la endlini sokumnandi siyazwana sonke. I'm like, hey bo Clina, don't get too comfortable. This is still Upeteni esikhuluma ngaye. Upeteni's like, yeah, hey, ngikhathele nje ukulwa Clina, I'm tired. uClina's like, okay. Then Upeteni is like, hey, I've also decided ukuthi kunonyaka omusha ngifuna uxolo nokuthula nje emzini wami. uClina just looks aside like to say ukuthi we will see it when it happens because asikholelwa nje. And then Upeteni, she notices ukuthi uClina ingathi like she doesn't believe her. She's like, yini awungikholelwa yini? uClina's like, hayi angizange ngisho lutho mina. And then Upeteni's like, okay, khona okunye ofuna ukusho? uClina's like, cha kodwa ke angisho nje ukuthi luhle ushintsho onyakeni omusha. Kunikeza abantu abanjengami ogcina so ithemba. Then that scene just ends. Next scene kwaMbalenhle. uSamke, she's doing some stock taking. She's sitting there and then uKhuzwayo walks in. uSamke's like, how baba? Then uKhuzwayo says, sawubona ntombi. uSamke's like, yebo. uKhuzwayo's like, ninjani? uSamke's like, siyaphila ungahlala phansi. She pulls a chair for him. And then uKhuzwayo says, ngiyabonga. uSamke's like, hey phela, I've been trying ukuthi ngikufonele ngazama futhi nokushiya i-voicemail hayi iyala ayishiyeki. uKhuzwayo then says, yabona nje Samke, umuntu kuzomela ukuthi enze into ethize. He takes out his phone out of his pocket. He's like, yabona nje nosigedlemba wami njengoba uqala unyaka nje uzomela ukuthi sihlukane ngithole olunye. uSamke's like, yeah ne? And then uKhuzwayo's like, yeah, yini inkinga? uSamke's like, oh, umpompi, yo, yazi uyavuza futhi. uKhuzwayo's like, hayi ngeke Samke, umpompi futhi. uSamke's like, wona impela. uKhuzwayo then says, phela ngishintshe amarapha, ngashintsha yonke into, ngenzela ukuthi like there shouldn't be any more problems. uSamke's like, well, it's still giving us problems. And then unokhuzana ke uKhuzwayo asked ukuthi yindaba. uSamke's like ngani. Ukhuzwayo then says, is this about umpompi umbizelelana for umpompi or ingendoda eyakhahlela ihashe esifubeni? So I don't know why Ukhuzwayo is paranoid ukuthi maybe uSamke uzomenza something since, you know, he's the one who gave out the information to uPhetheni. But anyway, uSamke ahleke. Unokhuzwana-ke uKhuzwayo says musu ukuhleka ngi-serious. uSamke Khuzwayo ingompompi how? Then uKhuzwayo is like, okay, ithi-ke ngizame ngiyolungisa. uSamke is like, ngiyathemba njani ukuthi awucabangi ukuthi angikhulumisani noma angizwani noPhetheni. uKhuzwayo then says, hayi ngingayingabaza kanjani lonto? Khuleka nje, like I believe what you're telling me. Then he says ukuthi i-switch ivaliwe. uSamke is like, yebo ivaliwe. Then he gets up, uKhuzwayo gets up, uSamke is like, ngiyabonga uyezwa. Then uKhuzwayo is like, hayi ubonga ukuthini? Then he goes to the back. As he's going to the back, uSamke, she takes uKhuzwayo's phone. She's going through it, guys. Angazi ukuthi ufunani, but whatever it is, it's information or something about uPhetheni. uKhuzwayo busy le is like, hayi bo ubani wakanyisela umpompi? Hayi iqinile kanti uSamke is busy with the phone there, guys. Next scene, we see uSibongile basekishini. Benovelephi. uSibongile is serving ubaba uVuma itiye. uVelephi is in her makoti attire, guys, with her long dress neduku lakhe laphayana. Listen, she is serious. So uVelephi is like, baba awusho phela induna itheni? uVuma just keeps quiet. uVelephi is like, baba. uVuma's like, awubona ukuthi ngiyakuziba Velephi? uVelephi is like, hawu baba phela ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi induna itheni kuwena. uVuma's like, akusona isikhathi esikahle for ukuthi sikhulume ngalento, asiyeke nje. uVelephi is like, baba yazi, angazi ukuthi noba uyazi baba ukuthi uyabona that the chief's wisdom could really help us. uSibongile is like, Velephi awukahle nje. uVelephi is like, awume kancane wena ngisakhuluma nobaba. Baba cala ukuthi ungitshele kancane ukuthi like induna ibizothini la ekhaya. uSibongile is like, Velephi awubona ukuthi ubaba akafuna ukukhuluma ngalento, yekele, like stop it. Then uVuma just gets up, guys. Yabona ukuthi yamcika le nkulumo nje. He gets up and then uSibongile is like, angithi yabona ke, ngithi yabona. Then uVelephi is like, hayi avubora wena, hayi ngeke. Next scene, we see uPhetheni. She's in the kitchen, guys, looking like she's making food there. And then she gets a phone call from uSamke. So uPhetheni answers the phone and she's like, yes, Samke. uSamke is like, Phetheni, hi. Ngiyathemba ukuthi angikufonelanga or angikutholanga ngesikhathi esibi. uPhetheni is like, no, right. Then ulokhuzana uSamke is like, bengithi ukuthi ngizobonga kuwena. Ngiyabonga kakhulu for welcoming me at your house. Yazi like ungamkele nje ngezandla ezifudumele, bengicabanga ukuthi uzongixosha mina. uPhetheni is like, hawu angithi bowuzoxolisa bengizoxoshelani? Then uSamke is like, yazi that might not mean anything to you, kodwa mina awazi uchaza umhlaba nje. uPhetheni is like, hayi ngiyabona. Then uSamke is like, hey, kwaze kwamnandi ukukhuluma nawe. Phela abangani beqiniso abasekho manje, umuntu akasenamngani nje. uPhetheni is like, yeah, kulungile Samke, ngiyakuzwa, kulungile kwangempela. uSamke is like, mesixoxa kanje yazi ngicabanga nje ukuthi wangivulela umnyango yazi ngingacelanga. Umoya wakho Phetheni, hayi ngathi inkosi ngabusisa nje. Here guys, I'm just like, yo Samke, I wonder ukuthi uplanani, guys, but that scene just ends like that. Next thing we see uPhetheni usembhedeni. She is sitting, I guess, waiting for, I don't know if she's waiting but you can see she's deep in thoughts, guys. She's wearing her PJs. Then uNjengaya comes through the door. uNjengaya is like, we hayi ngiyakwazi ke mawusunje mawubukeka kanje yini ucabangani, yini esemqondweni wakho? He goes and sit next to her. uPhetheni is like, yazi kunomngane la, umngane wakudala ozama ukubuyela empilweni yami. Uyazama ngempela ukuthi avuselele i-friendship besinayo. uNjengaya is like, hawu into enhle nje leyo angithi? Then ulokhuzana uPhetheni says, kuyadependa. We no longer kids or young girls anymore phela. Sibadala manje, futhi umuntu sekashintshile, naye-ke umngane or the girl was umngane sekashintshile. Unjenga's like, ingathi ninomlando nje, ingathi you guys have a history. Then uPhetheni is like, yeah, she was my first friend and my last true friend that I had. Unjenga says, okay, ngiyabona. Yazi ukuthi the most important thing in business and life, ukuthi if there's something ongayiqondisisi, if there's something you don't get right, that you don't quite get, igazi lakho lizokutshela nje. But if you consider your emotions, ama-emotions wakho-ke, they're going to lead you to wenza ama-decisions angacacile-ke. So mina sithanda sami ngithi cabanga ngayo yonke lento, like think about it. Then uPhetheni is like, yeah. Then that scene ends. Then last scene, guys, we see Sibongile. She's in the lounge. She's playing with her phone. Uvuma, he's there doing I don't know what with the radio. Uvuma's like, where Mambambo? Sibongile's like, Baba. Uvuma's like, uke ucabanga ngekusasa lakho ntombi. And then ulokhuzana uSibongile's like, ikusasa lami baba. Uvuma's like, na sengisho inhlelo zakho, izifiso zakho, ikusasa lakho nje. Then uSibongile is like, mina baba ngifisa ukuthi ngi-adenele isikolo. That's the most important thing. And ngicabanga ukuthi you know that too, that's the most important thing for me. Then uVuma's like, hayi kuhleke, umshado wona uke ucabange. uSibongile is like, I do think about it baba, kodwa what I want to happen now, or what I want now, is to be independent. I want umshado to happen when I'm independent. Ngifuna nami nje ilizwi lami lizwakale. Marriage is a very huge step baba. And then uVuma's like, awuboni-ke umqondo wakho ukhaliphile Theneza. And then Uvuma smiles. You can see he's so proud of uSibongile's response that really her focus is on being independent above all things. Then the last scene, guys, layibo uSamke uhamba lenhle uphethe ibhakede, guys, ibhakede nelo linamanzi abrown, uphethe umshanyelo, you know umshanyelo, those ones that ushanyela like the old ones. Yeah, the old ones that you melugobe when you're using them. So anyway, that time kunempepe elayitiwe, guys, uyachela uSamke usho ukuthi she made herself something nje ukhela indawo. She's tailoring, she's like ngixosha bonke ububi konke nje izichitho ezifakelwe kimi nakule ndawo azihambe. She goes on to say ukuthi nale ilwane nje ezixosha abantu lana ngithi ngiyazixosha akukhanye yonke indawo abantu bagcwale kusebenzeke. I'm just like, hey, Samke angazi. But anyway, sometimes, guys, a person got to do what a person got to do, because listen, business like a lily, guys. Like, there's no going back. She's no longer young. She needs to make it work. Anyway, guys, let's pause it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please also to watch the ads, guys. It's just your way of showing support towards me. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.